I now request Dr. D.Y. Patil, the Honorable Governor of Bihar, to address the convocation.
Honorable President Sri Pranab Mukherjee Sahib, Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar Sri Nitish Kumar Ji, Chairman Board of Governors Sri Ajay Chaudhary, Director IIT Patna Professor Anil Bhaumik, distinguished members of the Board of Governors, the Senate of invited guests, members of the faculty and staff, parents, students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a memorable moment for IIT Patna. The second batch of students is receiving their formal degree today. Bihar had been the citadel of knowledge in ancient times. In fact, the glorious in the history of ancient India are mostly from the ancient history of Bihar. We hope that educational institutions like IIT Patna will revive the past glory of Bihar and provide a platform for growth and prosperity in times to come. We are a galaxy of luminaries assembled here to bless the graduating students and to see them of thank you for all the being with us today. Honorable President, sir, thank you for your time and kind presence in gracing this auspicious occasion. I congratulate the graduating students and wish them all success in their lives. You have achieved a success and you will continue to achieve many more milestones in life. You will also create many milestones for future generations. Young men and women like you are the future of this country. Remember that the life is a journey, and this journey you will find several occasions to serve your society. Use such moments to contribute to your society so that you and your society excel together. I am sure your efforts, even small ones at times, will make this world a better place to live for the coming generations. We are proud of you and we hope that you will make us proud in times to come. I would also like to applaud the efforts of your teachers at IIT Patna and also the society at large. A teacher holds a very special importance in the growth of students. When a student achieves a milestone, the teachers need to be congratulated. It is your perseverance and hard work that is being fructified. I advise you not only to focus on imparting the necessary skills, but also the moral values needed for the bright future of our country. Your youth need to understand their roots from where they have come from. We all have to work together for justice, equality, sustainability, and compassion. Dear graduates, we appreciate your efforts upon and count upon you for better times ahead. I am glad that IIT Patna has chosen a Professor C.N. Rao, Dr. Krishnaswamy, Kasturirangan, and Dr. R.K. Sinha for the Distinguished Academicians Award. They are the biggest stars in their respective fields and will serve the role models for all of you. Your Chief Minister, Sri Nitish Kumar, has been with you throughout and will continue to support you further. Before I conclude, I would like to thank the August gathering once again. I also accord my gratitude to Honorable President Sahib Sri Pranab Mukherjee, and I congratulate all the graduate students IIT Patna once again and wish them grand success in their future life. Jai Hind, Jai Bihar.